there will be an orderly transition. The IT vets that as we know them now, the Center for Employment in CAIO, their training will continue operating with 3 years to meet registration and accreditation requirements. So existing programs, certificates, contracts, everything remains valid. No trainee, no trainer, no institution will be displaced by anything in this bill. I want to make the point that consultation was very important. And so this bill was created with, the Prime Minister mentioned it, the technical assistance from the education project under the Millennium Challenge Corporation, and through extensive consultations with employers, with private sector representatives, public and private TVET providers, trade unions, the National Accreditation Council, other line ministries, and development partners. So the bill's governance ensures that this partnership will continue, giving industry, labor, and providers a lasting role in shaping the TVET system.